Kuliah pun vibro season 4 te ka tip yang nam ta kicing mare te kan don sakane kicing mare kata ka that kinshi marathon run for a better life 2025 kane kicing mare kan no kinshi kan don khasan kilometer te kicing mare kan de shitrik November arjar pesan hapo kinshi ka vinu de kinshi belon playground organize daga Jingye Seng Samla district in collaboration with district sports officer West Khasil district te ka bayin trifi ka de lice pa san pho pinyo rangkat bat ka t-shirt open beja baro kadon metang open category ben open to all category first prize ke 1000 second prize ke 1000 third prize ke 1000 rangkat bat ki consolation prize no basah do pra ken ai pras pa marway taken don tangki oldest participant but oldest participant female shajar male shajar mar shajar te namta ki local category only for Jingye Seng Samla Kinshi district kini namta ki badai jongka Jingye Seng Samla district kini bade first prize 2000 second 1000 third 8000 youngest participant mar 1000 ke entry fee ke dai ars pa san pho ke ner ju free t-shirt ya ki Jingye Seng Samla ki don tang youngest participant te nem ta ki open ke don tang ka oldest participant ka por masdang rin rubaje step starting point na po lum so klur finishing point na po kinshi pelun playground chief guest in the honorable Shri Wailat Mikishala minister in charge sports and youth affairs government of Meghalaya kini following are the registration center la ai mo ka location ro na kinshi du number dabai na mairang number dabai na nongston number dabai shillong number dabai mokorwat umsning joai tesa phone ni gini number la ai ni la bon ni number dapi kwa ban lek ya kene kajing mare ka that kinshi marathon kontak igini number ane phila ban chu register online do kine la dap ongne online payment by GPay to 7638907379 phila ban phone igini phila ban chu siu GPay online bata salit mare ha ka tukas ngi bade kan de shitrik te bin lek tukas ngi pinyo ki beb hinyo aga t-shirt ban lek namta kene kajing mare kan de khasan kilometer mo tangine hi jumtip kreation